What up, you guys? I'm heading to pole vault practice right now. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna put this up there because it's bright out there. Alright, we are on the way. I know how to get there without the maps, but I'll just use the maps, it's okay. Just got off work at 4. It's now 4:49. Oh shoot. I'm pretty late, but it's alright, it's alright. Yeah, but I got off work at 4. I was actually recording some videos today while I was driving, and they were pretty good. It was just like me chatting and stuff, so pretty easy, and just driving around for work, so it was good. Hopefully you guys enjoy them if I post them. But right now I'm just going to practice. Haven't been in a while. Probably won't pole vault today, but maybe do something else. Workout. Maybe I'll sprint. I don't know. Should start doing some hills. Yeah. It's pretty hot out today. In the low 90s. So it's not bad, but decent. I drive here for work a lot, so this is weird. Because I went back and forth on this road like 5 times, or like more today. But in that car I'm not allowed to speed. And this one I'm not either, so I don't speed. Trust me. I think I have the right settings on. Yeah, just driving around. Lots of traffic, so we're kind of just chilling. And there's no freeway, so sometimes when it's hot outside, my car feels like it likes it. Other times, it feels like it's hating it. Right now, it's like, I don't know, it feels weird, but doesn't feel like it hates it. When it's cool and cloudy, boost weather, the car likes it a lot. That's crazy. That's literally insane. Why would you do that? Like, there's a whole line of cars right here. That's nuts. Could have waited like just a little bit. So far the camera has yet to overheat on me, and I was driving it while it was pretty hot outside today. It did die, the battery died, but I was recording for a while. 4K 30 FPS. Now I'm in 60, so I might die pretty fast actually. I want to ride my Vespa to practice sometime, once I get my license, I guess, but it's not that bad of a drive, and you can take the streets to get there, so it's pretty easy. My routine for like working out, I was like could go and stuff, but like work out and stuff, but now I'm kind of out of my routine, so I'm like don't really want to do stuff like work out and practice, but I am, like I have been going to the gym and stuff, but like I'm not super motivated like I was maybe during season. Yeah, I don't really feel like talking, unfortunately, because I'm like so tired, but I'll still record because it's fun to drive around. Oh, look at that little truck. So small. I love it. See, this is what I mean by small trucks. I want that. That truck right there, but I probably would try and lift it and put bigger tires, but I like it like that. But I feel like a truck should be used for truck things, like off-roading, or like just have higher ground clearance so that you can go over tough stuff, but like still small vibe, you know. Perfect. For like the last few months, I feel like I haven't found the right vibe of music. And I've just been listening to like my favorites, like playlist, songs that I've favorited, and I just feel like it's like nothing is what I want to listen to. Like they're good songs, and they're like my songs, but they're not right. And I have tried to look for new songs, but except the country. That's probably why, because I listen to country and I'm like sometimes vibing out to it. It's not like super country. Oh, that one was super cool too. I like that blue. But you know, yeah, because I never really listened to country before. But it was kind of good. Let's make sure everything's rolled up. I don't have noise canceling on the mic right now, so hopefully it sounds normal. Yesterday I drove around at night, and I had the mic on the bottom of the car with no noise canceling, and it kind of just hurt the road and like the tire. So that was kind of bad. But then I drove it with it like in the little trunk spot, like where the trunk closes, the lid of the trunk has like a little gap. Oh jeez. And I put it in there, but it still could hear like a lot of wind, or I guess road noise. I took off the seal under the hood, and now the turbo makes more noise. You can hear it. You can hear like the whistle. I don't know if you hear that, but when it like downshifts, but if I just rev it before it downshifts and it like builds the boost up. Whoosh. If I had a blow-off valve, it would, or a blow-off valve spacer, it would be a little louder, I believe. But I don't know if I should do that. Apparently it's bad for the engine, I think. Let me know. I want to get you guys a POV of driving in the mountains soon, because I went up there recently, but I just had my dash cam recording, so it wasn't really able to, it wasn't like POV, it was just the camera. But I think it'd be really nice with this camera and everything. Detour ahead. What? What? Damn it. Told me to turn down there. Bro, what? Oh my god. What am I supposed to do? Turn around? I guess I can turn around. Apparently it's faster to do this. So, I guess the map's new and I didn't know. Oh, there's a nice little neighborhood here. I like when they have walking paths, it's nice. Ooh. 340 or something? I don't know. 3 Series? The Maps is funny, it literally knows. A lot of houses over here. Huh. Oh, there wasn't a car in front of them. Usually when you're yielding, you should go in the intersection so that way, like, if the light turns yellow, you can wait till it's clear and go, instead of sitting waiting till it's, because like if you don't go into the intersection, then it turns red and you can't go into the intersection. Teslas are kind of annoying. I think I mentioned it, but whenever I'm reversing and hit the brakes, something in the back like makes a crunching noise. It's like a knocking sound. It's like I guess it's when maybe the brakes hit the pads hit the thing. Sounds like maybe the hardware or something. It's really weird and not good. But everything seems fine. Like, it doesn't screech or anything. I barely even hear any like squeaking. So I don't know what it could be. You guys hear the turbo? Sounds crazy. A lot more noise. Should probably put that seal back on though. Like, I don't know. Stuff's gonna get in the engine bay. It's not good. But it's not raining or anything. So I think it's fine. I should check. I haven't really checked.